Bosch Measuring Tools is the worldwide leader in laser measuring and leveling technology, increasing productivity on the job site every day. This is the Bosch GLL3-80 360-degree triple line laser, used for exterior and interior horizontal leveling, vertical alignment, and general layout work. The GLL3-80 has a pendulum self-leveling and out-of-level beam indicator to keep the one vertical and two horizontal lines straight and level in all job site conditions. If the laser is disturbed or bumped beyond the self-leveling range, the lasers blink and an audible warning signal is emitted. The on-off switch includes a pendulum lock that protects the unit during transportation. The three 360-degree laser planes, one horizontal and two vertical, not only provide the 360-degree planes, but also provide 6 90-degree reference points to cover every level and alignment application that could be needed on a building job site. The horizontal plane provides a complete level reference to measure up to 65 feet in all directions. With an optional sensor, this distance can be extended in all light conditions up to 265 feet with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/4 of an inch at 100 feet. The two vertical lines operate to the same specifications and are positioned at 90 degrees to each other when given exact corner and wall layout positions. No more squares or 3-4-5 calculations for wall and partition layout. The GLL3-80's single-button operation is easy to use and toggles through the 3 laser options of horizontal plane, vertical plane, dual vertical plane, and includes an option to switch off self-leveling for slope work to fit every job site need. It mounts conveniently to any 1/4 or 5/8 inch tripod. The new GLL3-80 is a compact, multi-use 360-degree line laser that comes with a hard carrying case and universal wall floor bracket. Experience the newest breakthrough in productivity with the Bosch GLL3-80.